Hey everybody, I am quickly going to show you how to create the SEO startup or the SEO project if your goal is to rank #1 for your company name. So if you did not see what I just clicked, I'm in the dashboard. Here you will see all of the projects that have been shared with you, not necessarily your own projects. So click New Project. Click the option you want, which is rank #1 for your company name. Click Select. And this will automatically populate the project for you with all of the phases and all of the tasks and what you have to do to complete each task. If you want to make this a client's project, you could say name of your company. SEO project for client name, and then you can put the client's name here, and the client's logo or your own logo here. You can set the status of the project here. I'm going to save this as delete me so I remember to delete it later. You can select a start date and an end date here. You can add documents here. Make sure that it's a private project, otherwise you will be sharing it with everybody else in the Molang9 community. And keep this checked unless you want it published to Google. So you can add users if you have team members that you want working on this with you that are connected to your account. You can add them here. You can add clients here as well. Clients do not have, unless you give them an employee account, they do not have the ability to edit your projects. They only have the ability to view the projects to see your status on various projects. So let's see. Then we have settings. You can change your settings here. You have milestones. If you're working with a client and you are being paid based on milestones achieved, this is where I keep these documented so it's very clear what we're working on when, and when the client should be expected to release their next increment from the retainer or however else you agreed for the billing. If you make this a private phase, only you and the employees that you gave access to this project will be able to see the phase. Again, unless you give your client an employee account, which allows them to edit projects, they will not be able to see this phase if you make it a private phase. You can add and delete different you can add in and delete whatever the different tasks. If you're familiar with HTML, you can also edit it here, or you can edit it just like a regular Word document here. When you're ready, click Save. And that is it. You have the exact process that I use to get companies to rank #1 for their name on Google. And now you can implement it yourself for your own startup or for a client's company. When you click on the different tasks, you will see that the instructions on how to implement, on how to carry out that task. Once it's complete, mark complete, and you'll see that it synchronizes up here. Just going to complete this entire one. So it shows 80%, and the client can see that we are 24% of the way through the entire project. We have 1 milestone complete, and we have 4 out of 13 tasks complete. All right. Cool. I hope that was helpful. I will see you guys back online later.